Hi, I'm Clément, Product Marketing Manager, and you're on the Seagate booth at CES 2020. And I'm here to introduce the Seagate FireCuda gaming dock. So there's the first gaming storage solutions that combines a 4 terabyte hard drive inside, as well as a gaming docking stations. It is a Thunderbolt 3 docking stations with 2 ports for digital chaining, which also includes multiple USB 3.0 ports, also headphones and microphone input and output, as well as Ethernet and video output for monitor. On top of being a great docking station to centralize your whole gaming setup, the product also comes with a customizable RGB LED, where you can change the color, you can change the pattern of the light going in and out. And last but not least, you can even upgrade the solution to add a PCIe NVMe SSD, the FireCuda NVMe SSD. So then you have 4 terabytes to store all your games that you can move to the PCIe to speed up the load time and have like a more smooth gaming experience. And in addition to the gaming dock, we have this brand new product announced at CES, which is the Seagate FireCuda gaming SSD. This is a top performance external SSD for elite gamers. It comes with the brand new USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 interface and NVMe SSD inside, the FireCuda NVMe SSD that comes with up to 2 terabytes and offers up to 2000 megabytes per second. So the benefit is installing, booting, loading, saving comes instantly and saves you a lot of time. There's no more wait. Just like the gaming dock, it also comes with a customizable RGB LED, and you can even have the gaming SSD and the gaming dock sync with each other, so you have the same LED setup. The gaming SSD comes with this premium metal enclosure. The design is called the chisel design. It's meant to be like a great companion to the gaming dock, but also with the top high-end computer enclosures. The Seagate FireCuda gaming dock is 4 terabytes for $349 US, and the Seagate FireCuda gaming SSD starts for 400 gigabytes at $189. This product is going to be available in March, and the gaming dock is just starting to ship now.